The 8th ranked product is HYCHIKA Cordless Circular Saw. 18 volts mini circular saw with 4.0 Ah battery. 3 blades. 4-1/2, 4-9/10. 3500 RPM max cutting depth. 90 degrees. 48 millimeters. 45 degrees. 32 millimeters. Compact circular saw for wood, plastic and soft metal. Review score 4.1. Review count 113 ratings. Price $114.07. Customers like. Customers find the circular saw cuts well, with one mentioning the laser sight helps for straight cuts. The tool functions effectively and has good battery life. Customers consider it worth the money. Customers dislike. No info. The 7th ranked product is Mini Circular Saw. 4-1/2, 3400 RPM Cordless Circular Saw with Laser Guide. Rip Guide. Compact hand saw with 2 PC's blades, 24T plus 60T. Max cutting depth 1-11/16. 90 degrees. 1-1/8. 45 degrees. Blue. Review score 4.2. Review count 364 ratings. Price $58.64. Customers like. Customers find the circular saw works well, particularly for cutting knotty pine paneling, and appreciate its ability to cut through wood like butter. The tool is lightweight, easy to carry, and offers good value for money, with one customer noting it paid for itself with a single cut. Customers praise its build quality and size, with one mentioning it's ideal for cutting small items. The Laser Guide receives positive feedback for its accuracy, and while customers find it easy to use, some mention the instructions are useless. Customers dislike. No info. The 6th ranked product is Galax Pro Cordless Circular and Reciprocating Saw Combo Kit with 1 PC's 4.0 Ah lithium battery and 1 charger. 7 saw blades and tool bag. Review score 4.2. Review count 4,843 ratings. Price $99.19. Customers like. Customers find the circular saw easy to assemble and use, appreciate its lightweight portability, and consider it great for small jobs. The power and functionality receive mixed feedback, while some say it's adequately powered and works well for small projects. Others report the battery going dead in 3 minutes and the saw only working on the first night. The cut quality and value for money also get mixed reviews, with some saying it cuts just as well while others report cutting issues. And some consider it good value while others find it cheaply made. Customers dislike. No info. The 5th ranked product is Duratech Mini Circular Saw. 20 volts 4-1/2 Cordless Circular Saw with 4.0 Ah battery. Fast charger. 3 PC's blades. 3600 RPM. Max cutting depth 1-11/16. 90 degrees. 1-1/8. 45 degrees. For tiles, wood, soft metal, plastic. Review score 4.3. Review count 104 ratings. Price $99.89. Customers like. Customers find the circular saw easy to use and consider it good value for money. The tool functionality and build quality receive mixed feedback, with some saying it's well made while others find it amateurish. The battery life also gets mixed reviews, with some saying it lasts a long time while others report low power. Customers dislike. No info. The 4th ranked product is Works WX531L.920 volts PowerShare WORXSA W4.5 Cordless Compact Circular Saw. Tool only. Review score 4.4. Review count 199 ratings. Price $98.19. Customers like. Customers find the circular saw user-friendly and powerful, with one noting it reliably cuts through 2x4 material. Moreover, the tool is compact and incredibly lightweight, while also being durable and holding a decent charge. Additionally, they appreciate its functionality, with one mentioning it works perfectly on 2 inches lumber, and another highlighting its clean cuts on 2x4s and plywood. Customers dislike. No info. The 3-ranked product is Works WX531L 20 volts WORX SAW 4.5 Cordless Compact Circular Saw. Review score 4.4. Review count 217 ratings. Price $139.00. Customers like. Customers find the circular saw easy to handle and appreciate its lightweight design, with one mentioning the angle adjustments are simple to operate. The tool receives positive feedback for its quality, effectiveness, and value for money, and customers consider it an amazing tool, with one noting it's particularly suitable for DIY projects. The power performance receives mixed reviews, with some finding it powerful while others report issues with the battery not providing enough power. Customers dislike. No info. The 2-ranked product is Greenworks 24 volts mini circular cutoff saw kit, cordless brushless 3 inches cutting tool with 2.0 Ah. Battery and charger. Compact for metal, tile, plastic, grinder style design. Review score 4.4. Review count 354 ratings. Price $99.99. Customers like. Customers find the circular saw well constructed, lightweight, and easy to use, with good value for money. They appreciate its functionality, with one customer noting it works well as a trim saw, and another mentioning it handles 2x lumber effectively. The design receives positive feedback, with one customer describing it as a perfect DIY circular saw. Battery life receives mixed reviews. Customers dislike. No info. The 1-ranked product is WorkPro 20 volts cordless mini circular saw, 4-1/2 compact wireless circular saw 4.0 Ah battery. Fast charger. 3 blades. 4500 RPM. Laser guide. Max cutting depth 1-11/16. 90 degrees. 1-1/8. 45 degrees. Review score 4.6. Review count 287 ratings. Price $119.99. Customers like. Customers find the circular saw powerful and easy to use, with good battery life and build quality that holds up well. They appreciate its compact size, with one customer noting it's perfect for small to medium jobs, and another mentioning it cuts through oak with no problem. The tool is lightweight and convenient to carry around, offering good value for money. Customers dislike. No info.